Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Wendy. I am a part-time reseller, which means that I like to buy stuff. I usually thrift it for cheap, and I do my research and I resell it online for profit on platforms such as Poshmark, eBay, Mercari, Depop, and even Instagram live sales. So if you're interested in reseller related content like this, or you'd like to learn how to resell, be sure and like and subscribe my channel. But anyways, I do haul videos, what sold videos, lots of mystery unboxings. I have collaborated with a few resellers on here. So if you're ever interested in doing something like that, let me know. Hit me up on Instagram in my DMs. I have linked my Instagram below, so it is easy to contact me. But today I am going to do a mystery unboxing. This is a Goodwill Bluebox mixed apparel box. I have done one before, but I didn't video it because I gave some of the stuff away right away, and so I didn't have all the pieces to show. But I did get a Vince cashmere sweater vest or sweater tank in that one, and it was pretty good, so I thought I would try this one again. I've done several of the Goodwill Blue boxes. I've done like the 10 for 10s, and I've done some denim boxes, some various boxes. I love the vintage and the Y2K. They go pretty fast. They post them 6 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so it would be 5 o'clock Central Standard Time. On their website, you have to refresh right before or right as the 5 o'clock to see them pop up. They go super fast within minutes. If you have a Goodwill login linked with your address and your credit card information, it's a lot faster because all you do is click, 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 and then it buys it if nobody has, if it hasn't sold out before then. I've done that a couple of times as well. I usually get them within a week. They ship FedEx, but this one is 12 pieces. They are mixed sizes. They can be men's, women's, whatever. Most of the time it's still women's because they have them in abundance. It was $24.99 plus $5 shipping. All their mystery boxes are only $5. It doesn't matter if it's, 10 pieces or, more. This one is coming from Kingsport, Tennessee, it looks like. I did peek in it a little bit. If you're interested in trying to get one of these Goodwill Blue boxes, I have linked the website below as well. But yeah, $29.99 with the shipping, 12 items. There are a couple of good pieces in here that I've noticed, but I thought I would go through all of them with you. This is Sun and Shadow. It is extra small. It is a very soft, funky vest, super soft. You can tell it has like nylon in it. This is one you really probably don't want to wash because if you wash it, it's ruined pretty much. But yeah, it is cream colored. Maybe I should wear this today. It's extra small, but it is oversized. But I have a pair of Ugg boots that are that Mongolian fur that I need to list that are similar to this. But yeah. I'm silly. Got that one. This is Doland Left Coast collection. So it's not East Coast, it's Left Coast. This is a size medium. It is just a little blouse. It is a coral color. And then I've got this High Five, maybe, I don't know what that is. But they are cute little scalloped coral shorts. They are a size small. That's cute. If I can't sell it, this is something that Plato's Closet would probably take pretty easily. These are YMIs. They are hyper stretch, just like a white, like a jegging. They're new at Tags. They're the pearl color. They're size small. Looks like somebody had them priced at $39.95. It's probably like a boutique kind of item. Yeah. And then I have Well, where's the bottom of that? It's like these are pants. They are Jolie. They are new with tags as well. They had them priced at $32. They are 100% linen, except for the waistband. It is like a stretchy cotton, but they almost remind me of hammer pants in a way, but not that big. But they're super tiny, so I guess they could fit like that for somebody really small. There's some fuzz. But they are like a coral color as well. I guess I got the coral box. What is this? G, a size medium. It's not new with tags. It's kind of like a lacy tunic kind of top dress. I don't know, but it's like cream and black. And then there is, ooh, I like the way this feels. It is just a crown and ivy though, size large. Look at the bottom. It's got that lacy strip, crochet kind of strip. It's got that on the arms as well with the little bell sleeves. It's like an animal print. Ooh, I like that. You know what? I think I'll probably do this. I plan on having an Instagram live sale sometime in the future, and I try to do the themes because it's fun and it's easy to organize that way, and easy to market that way as well. So anybody interested in like animal print kind of stuff, leopard, cheetah, all that kind of good stuff, yeah, I'm planning on marketing to them. But I think I'll probably post that in there. It doesn't have to always be like the conventional animal print colors like browns and blacks, but yeah, that's fun. I actually have a Vera Bradley crossbody purse that is purple and blue, and that would look really cute with that as well. But I do have that listed in my Poshmark closet and on Depop, I believe. This is a Vineyard Vines size 16 performance top. It is pink striped with the roll tab sleeves. This feels pretty new. I didn't really see any spots on it, so this ought to do pretty well. It's got that mesh like vented back with the little whale design on the back. So yeah, pretty good. I like it. These are Chico size 2. They're a stretchy like dress pant almost. Real thick material. Wait, is that a tag? Nope. And then there is this new with tags roper. It says Wear the West. It is just a little long sleeve graphic t-shirt. And then there are these Lucky brand jeans. They feel pretty new. Don't really feel like anything is wrong with them. I looked, I don't have any of the puckering around the crotch area right here across the top of the thighs. They are a size 8/29 ankle Charlie baby boot. I've never heard of that. Wonder how that would do. But yeah, take it. And then the last piece, I saved the best for last, is this Eileen Fisher. It is a medium. It is, let me see. Most of her stuff is linen. Oh, they cut out the tag. I'll have to find a stock photo listing and get the product, get the ingredients? No. Get the fabric content off of there. What does that look? Does it look like there's the sheen on there, like they tried to iron it or something? Can't tell it when you look at it. By the light, it does look like something. But this feels like the same kind of sweater that the wooden ship sweaters are that I got. It's just that feel. It is gray and black striped. Very cute. But yeah, 12 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 items. For that $29.99, I believe that's about $2.50 an item. I'll take the Eileen Fisher and the Vineyard Vines all day for $2.50. Rest of those were fine. They should do okay. I should at least get my money back for those, even if I just take them to Plato's Closet. But yeah, I'll take it. So anyways, if you like mystery box unboxings, and you should hit that notification bell so you'll get notified if I ever decide to go live, and hit that subscribe button so you will get notified if I ever post another video. So yeah, y'all have a great night and come back for more mystery box unboxings. Thank you.